This is Mel's crib. It's her lovely boyfriend,
cute.
Curtis. Isn't it? It's all original wood siding.
Yeah.
It does need a little bit of love. Repairs,
Some sanding,
for sure.
repairing, painting, sure.
Fresh coat of paint. The only thing that's tricky is it's historic. So we're gonna have to deal with that if we wanna like paint change and front facade change, because they do wanna make more interior square footage, depending on what the Historical Society will let us get away
Let
with.
us do. Okay.
Let's go in
Okay.
and talk to him.
I like that the porch has already popped up.
Well, theoretically, that will be inside space. Hi!
Hi!
She was just saying that she likes that the porch has popped up, but ideally, this is gonna be interior space.
Crazy me. Thinking about,
All right, let's go inside.
This house is adorable.
Yeah, we like
I can't wait to see the inside. I love what you have done with the place. I mean, this, very rustic.
Yeah, that's what we're going for.
Oh, look at you carried the theme throughout the house. That's fantastic.
Very rustic.
Real open concept.
What greets me is deconstructed underside of a staircase and deconstructed second-story floor joists.
They started strong, they ended with disaster.
So we were actually on vacation. We're sitting around watching TV, just watching about construction shows and whatnot. We're like, hey, open concept. So
looks super easy, right?
Yeah, I gave Mel a hammer and went to town on this wall right here. We knocked it all out.
It's fun, isn't it?
It was.
It is fun.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny to watch.
I had no idea what I was doing,
Yeah, so we
but
got
it was
that
fun.
out, and then we took out the ceiling and put some lights in. And that's where we started. We had a good run. It escalated and
more stuff.
Escalated.
It escalated.
I love this room.
But this space is cool.
I feel like they've just started the job. Living room looks good. They have a nice design aesthetic that I can really get down with. And all the stairs need is a finishing touch.
We initially took out the ceiling because there are no overhead lights anywhere in the house, really.
The ceiling was here. It was ductwork through this, so we wanted to get the ceiling back up, and that's why it's all open right now.
You know, Curtis and Mel have a really great start, but when they got to the kitchen, they realized they'd gotten in over their heads.
And then as we came this way,
I came home and all of the cabinets were gone.
I just did it.
Okay,
Surprise.
But yeah, then we just temporarily put up some of these floating shelves to take care of that.
I get what they were trying to do in the kitchen by taking down the uppers and making it feel more open, but what I think they really just need is some more space. We've got two options. I think the one that's super safe bet with the Historical Society, because they don't really care about the back, is blow out the back porch and extend that way, and you'll have bigger dining, bigger kitchen. Best case scenario, we do that to the back and the front.
Right.
And then would kind of bump everything forward.
Yes.
You want to show Mom your dirty little secret, though?
We really got in trouble.
This is what
We
stopped
wanted to open
point.
this up, and I found this little gem. I like to hide it because people get scared when they come over. But,
Oh, no.
yep, this nice little header here.
It's bad, right?
It's really, really, really bad.
It gets worse.
You didn't do
Wait till
this,
you
right?
see the
No,
middle.
I'm
how
not
like
guilty.
bowed it is.
This
I'm
is
not
the way they
guilty.
built it. It appears someone else tried to open up a wall, and rather than putting in a header like they needed to,
Just put in a bunch of 2x4s.
put a bunch of 2x4s in there. These were just laying one on top of each other. So they're all just bowing. And that's a bad situation.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight on nothing.
We need to fix that.
So we'll definitely need to build a 2-story addition on the back of the house, which will allow us to expand the kitchen and dining room. The back addition also lets us add a closet and bathroom to the bedroom upstairs, creating a true master suite. And if the Historical Society gives us permission to build an extension up front, we'll make the master suite even bigger as well.
We can push to overdrive. We can take this past the line.
We actually heard back from the Historical Society faster than expected, and they approved both the back and front extensions, which is great. So now we can finalize our floor plans. Okay, so this is the central house for Mel and Curtis. So we got approved for the front and the back bump out.
Nice.
Which means they upped their budget, which is awesome. So the front of the house will now expand into the area that is currently the porch to provide more living space on the first floor. And then we'll build a new porch for the front of the addition.
This looks good.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Really good.
Lovely.
We'll move that.
All right, and then this is the main floor. Living room doesn't change,
Right.
staircase stays in the same place. But there is one addition to the living room. I got a call from Curtis, and he said Mel has always wanted a fireplace, so he's going to be super sweet and surprise her with a fireplace in their living room.
That's so sweet. But what does it do to the budget?
I mean, it's his budget, and I think we're gonna be able to do it fairly cost effectively, so we're gonna be around $108,000 to $110,000. Downstairs bathroom stays in the same place.
Right.
This is our new kitchen.
Yes.
All laid out, and then you've got this really big, cool dining room.
And so this is the upstairs.
Yeah, so upstairs, 2 of the 3 bedrooms, along with the existing bathroom, are staying the same. The room that Mel and Curtis were using as their bedroom is gonna get turned into a true master suite. So that's the plan, taking them from a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath to a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
This is gonna work so much better for them.
Yes.
So that hot mess of a header that was there, and I'm using quotes because it's not really a header, it's a,
Did we count 7 layers of lumber?
it was somewhere around there. And like each layer was screwed with corkscrews.
Yeah, into the next
the next
layer.
one.
And they're all just jicky, right?
And I was like, yeah,
Yeah.
But the moral of the story is it needs to come out.
Heads up, Toby.
Oh.
Heads up.
Hold on, let me get out the way.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, look at you guys. This is a beautiful team. Now that the old jinky supports are gone, we're installing a real header in its place.
There it goes.
There were 5,
5
6.
of you? They lifted it like it was nothing. Nothing.
All right.
Good?
Beautiful!
We haven't revealed all the details yet, but Curtis and Mel have agreed to spend up to $115,000 to make sure they get all the things they could possibly want in this renovation. The cross-cut flooring is going in. The cabinets have been painted green, and we got the crown molding on the top fixed. And the guys have installed the subway tile backsplash. We ran it all the way from the countertop to the ceiling, and the black grout makes it look like really edgy and modern. And Mom has convinced Corey to help her with her pet project, something special for Mel and Curtis's 2 dogs, Freddie and Apollo, and their cat, Kiki. Hi, Corey!
I know how you like a clean workspace, so I thought I'd get it a little cleaned up. So
I brought some friends with me too. They brought our cat steps.
That's fantastic. So
Mock
the
up in
idea
there.
is like one will be right about here,
Okay,
and then one a little lower, and then a little lower, and then a little lower.
okay.
So they can just do up the stairs.
We have 5 of them, so that looked like about right.
Yeah, I think 5 will be perfect.
Okay.
Mel and Curtis don't really know anything about this. It's not like they said, hey, we want a cat bed and exposed under the stairs. But when we first walked into the house and walked through with them, they talked about how they liked the exposed stairs and that their dogs and cats go in there. So it's gonna be a surprise that they should like.
Super cute.
I'm pretty happy with these.
Me too. Are you gonna deck the inside with like catnip?
I just painted black and then put a really soft, cushy rug in there, like super fluffy.
All right.
It just fits in there.
That's perfect. Cool.
Out of here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh man,
Oh, I love it.
yeah,
Do you like the
that's-
color?
I love that color.
Looks so different.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go inside?
Yes,
Come on.
please. Wow, so
Yeah.
different.
Through your new front door.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Whoa. This is great. This is amazing.
This feels like a new house. This
Yeah.
is awesome.
Well, because this is a
Pretty
completely
much.
new space you're in.
Yes.
I mean, your front door was just past where Mom
Yeah.
is, and now you
Yeah.
actually have a little bit of an entryway. You come in and you have all this open space.
Oh my gosh, there's your bar.
It is. And it's open.
This is
This is crazy.
amazing. It looks so much better.
And where you had your real boogered up header, we now have one giant one that spans the whole space.
This feels safer in here.
Like, I don't feel like it's gonna collapse on me.
Look at the shelves and get excited.
These super, super cool live edge shelves were made by 2 brothers, Dustin and Caleb, and their dad, Gary. They make really cool stuff. And we got these to match the custom dining table.
Look at you grown-ups with a dining room table.
Right?
This is metal. Like, they inset metal.
Ooh, cool.